Has your Repfabric Sync tool disappeared from your Gmail inbox? This video is going to show you how to reinstall it or activate it so that it's back. I am in my inbox, and in order to install the Repfabric Sync Plus tool, I must go find the extension and then click the Add to Chrome button. To do that, at the very top of your screen, you're going to see all of your existing extensions that are right next to the URL bar. At the very end, there is an extensions button, which looks like a puzzle piece. Go ahead and click on it. You're going to see all your extensions in a nice list. And at the very bottom, you're going to see a link for Manage Extensions. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to see the same list again in a tile format that's much easier to read. If you don't see it in this list here, that means that it hasn't been installed. So I don't have Repfabric Sync Plus listed here. So I need to go find it. On the left side, there's a Chrome Web Store link. Go ahead and click on that. And in the search bar, type in Repfabric. You'll see a search history come up with Repfabric Sync Plus. Go ahead and click on it. And then go ahead and click on the Add to Chrome button. Click the Add Extension button. Wait a couple seconds, and the extension is installed. Go back to your Gmail account and go ahead and do a refresh. Click on the refresh button, wait a moment or two, and at the very top, you should now see a Repfabric logo. That means that your Repfabric Sync Plus tool is installed. So we made the assumption that you didn't have installed in this tutorial. However, it's also possible that you could have had it installed but deactivated. So I want to show you that as well. Go ahead and go back into your extensions. Go to the bottom, click Manage Extensions. If you see in my situation, I have the tile bar here, and it is installed. And you're going to see a switch toggle here that shows that it's currently activated. For the sake of this, let's turn it off. Let's go back over to my Gmail inbox. Click the refresh button, and you're going to see that it doesn't load. And this could be another situation. So let's go back into your extensions. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Go back over to the Gmail account and do a refresh. And now it's back. So you have either one of two scenarios. It's not installed or it's not activated. And this video shows you how to do that. If you have any questions, just reach out to support.